Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Haunting Bonsai, Ryan here. In today's video I'll be pinching the candles on me Scots pine and lime sulphur and the dead wood. I might even gently pour it in a pot because the roots are starting to come out the bottom of the rock now and the tree will never come out of this rock. So I'll say I've got a pot to sit it in to let the roots grow a bit better. So stay tuned and we'll get into the video. Here's a quick look around the tray. As you can see, the candles are big. The rock's hollowed out and the tree's planted into the rock, so it will never come out of this rock again. But what's happening? The roots just grow through the bottom of the rock and they're starting to come out. Well, if I've got a pot big enough, I'm just going to plant it into a pot. I'll leave the rock where it is and just stick it in the pot so the roots have got somewhere to grow. And about the front, about there. Okay, so I'll just grab a candle and what I'll do is I'll be pinching about 2/3 of the candle. And the reason why we pinch the candles is to stop it growing and encourage back budding onto the tree. So we can start and fill the pads out and get better pads. If I had candles with 3 in, I would just take the middle one out and leave the other 2. But lucky enough, I've got these 3 candles on here. Oh, don't need to do that. Like I say, I've had this tree maybe 3.5 years. I'll put some pictures up when I first got the tree. I never looked like this. In fact, it's come on amazing since I got it. I'm not really sure about this bottom pad in here. Maybe if I thinned it out like that. We'll see, there's plenty of time to make a decision on that. If I've got little candles, I'll just let them extend, then I'll nip them later on. But as for the big ones, I'll just take off. Okay, that'll do for the candles. So now it's time to treat the dead wood. This is a false gin, being added in later with super glue. I didn't do it, the lads who I got the tree off done it. So we'll treat the lime sulphur. That's new dead wood we have in here. We'll kill the branch and put new dead wood in there. So we'll get the lime sulphur on, then I'll see if I've got a pot for it. Give the dead wood a little light coating of water to help the lime sulphur stick a bit better. This dead wood's got wire on it, but I'm still going to treat it. I'll just paint over the wire. That's soak in a minute. Put my eyes on, as you want to say. and I'll just keep applying the lime sulphur to all the dead wood. Missed one. Missed two. That's one bit done. What I'll do is I'll just do the rest and I'll come back, because I'm going to give it a few coats, use the lime sulphur up. So I'll be back once I've finished the lime sulphur. I'm getting all the lime sulphur on the tray now, so all the dead wood's tread. So folks, this is the biggest pot I've got. It'll do for now. It's just, I'm going to give it somewhere for the roots to grow instead of on that slab, because they're all poking out the bottom. We'll just try it in this and we'll see what happens. Basically just doing a slip pot really. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. I'll just fill it in now. Just using the chopsticks at the back so I can get the soil in, get the air out. that'll do. At least the roots will have somewhere to grow now instead of just straight on this plastic slab. I'll invest in a bigger pot for next year, but this one will do, and it'll be suffice for now. This stuff on the rock I can't get rid of, just keeps growing back, but I'll just leave it for a bit colour now. I'll bring it up. There's just somewhere to grow. Knock it all over like. Back on its bench, the good water, and we'll just see how it grows in that pot. Right, that was just a little video on pinching the Scotch pine and basically slip potting it into a new pot so the roots grow better instead of on the slab, as it will never get repotted again. So this way the roots will grow in the pot, then I can prune them and keep putting them back into a pot, because it will never come out of them rocks. The dead wood's been tred, so it's good to go for this summer, and we'll just keep an eye on it. But that's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.